सिस्टॉलिक हा 118 आणि डायसिस्टॉलिक 79, पल्सेस 92. ओके, सो मातशें तुमच्यान उदक पिवपाचें आनी बाकी तुमी
Keerti Vidyalaya Siolim is the first school all over Goa to start this unique initiative, Swasthya, Safar or Sankalp, wherein the NCC cadets will be checking the blood pressure and sugar level of their very own parents, grandparents, and also from the community. Is not only producing the toppers in the academics, but we are also producing the responsible citizens of the country, wherein they will learn something new in order to take care of the health of the community. Today we have released the health checkup card, and also I thank my managing committee of Swami Vivekanand Seva Sangh for giving us required support and cooperation in order to carry out this activity successfully. Even they have helped us to guide our students by giving the required resource doctors to guide how to check the diabetes and pressure of their parents, grandparents and community. So I sincerely thank the managing committee of Swami Vivekanand Seva Sangh's Keerti Vidyalaya for providing us required instruments and also support to carry out this initiative successfully.
A proactive health care initiative undertaken under this banner, Swasthya, Safar or Sankalp. This initiative is undertaken by Keerti Vidyalaya along with the NCC cadet of our institute. Under this initiative, our trained NCC cadets will be assisting health officers and doctors to test blood pressure and blood sugar every Saturday of our staff, senior citizens of our locality, and all the parents whoever comes to visit the campus. Through this initiative, we want to sensitize students regarding their commitment not only to their studies in school but also their civic responsibility as a member of community.
In this activity, we are going to blend education with real life practice. On every Saturday, our NCC credits and some student volunteers are going to check BP, sugar. In case if any reading, BP or sugar or pulse are found to be high or low, we are going to consult our close associate doctors.
We learn how to use a glucometer to check sugar and how to check blood pressure. It helps us to check our parents, grandparents and our relatives. I am as learning this at a young age, it gives me I feel very proud and responsible. On behalf of all students, I sincerely thank you all to teach us these life lessons beyond classroom.